you security should be right underneath the catcher. I mean, this is your job, isn't it?
Get off. Come on.
Hazel, give me your hand. Somebody's climbing a tree. Oh my God, look at what security wouldn't do. Security's here. This is security's job.
I can't get her from there.
Get that. Hold on. Get that post out.
Jamie, over here.
Yo, catcher!